Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. And then in the search bar, you have to search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. And when you are done with updating, just open the TikTok application. And now find the video that you want to download without watermark. Now tap on this share button and you just have to tap on this copy link. And when the link is copied, now close your TikTok application and open your browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here. And you have to search for TikTok video download online without watermark. Open this first website here. And here you can see this window. You just have to insert your link. You just copy it and tap on this download. And as you can see, it says please wait, so we have to wait. And now as you can see, there are three options: without watermark, download mp3, and download with app. So tap on this without watermark, and as you can see, our video has been downloaded. If I open it up now, you will find there is no watermark in my video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.